Hey there! Today we are diving into why Byron, Minnesota is quickly becoming one of the most desirable places to live. So whether you're looking to move to a quieter area, exploring real estate opportunities, or simply curious about what Byron has to offer, this video will give you all the details. From top-notch schools to a very active lifestyle, excellent healthcare, and beautiful homes, Byron truly has something for everyone. Hi, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and we're going to explore why so many people are choosing to call Byron home. Byron, Minnesota offers an outstanding school system, which is one of the main reasons it's drawing so many new families. The Byron public schools consistently rank among the top districts in Minnesota, with a strong commitment to providing students with high-quality education, small class sizes, dedicated teachers, and a supportive community all contribute to the district's success. And for families who are considering a move, this is an essential aspect to think about, as Byron schools provide a really nurturing and academically challenging environment for kids of all ages. Additionally, the district places a high emphasis on integrating technology and preparing our students for future careers, making Byron an excellent choice for growing families. Now, access to excellent healthcare is another major draw for those considering a move to Byron. So while Byron is a smaller town, residents are just a short drive away from the world-class healthcare facilities like the Mayo Clinic in Rochester. And we have an Olmsted Medical Center satellite office located right in Byron, just waiting to provide you top-tier healthcare services. So whether you're looking for routine medical care, specialized treatments, or emergency services, you're going to find peace of mind knowing that those facilities are close by. And for those in the medical profession, the proximity to these centers makes Byron an ideal location to live and work. It blends small-town charm and access to cutting-edge healthcare. Byron also offers a wealth of recreational opportunities and things to do, making it a great place for active lifestyles. The town has numerous parks, walking trails, and outdoor spaces where residents can enjoy nature year-round. The Oxbow Park and Zolman Zoo are popular family-friendly destinations, offering animal exhibits, hiking trails, and outdoor picnic areas. And if you're into sports, the local community center hosts various activities including basketball, soccer, and fitness classes. Plus, for the golf enthusiasts, the prestigious Summerby Golf Club is right in Byron, offering a challenging course, social events, and a country club atmosphere for its members. Now, weather in Byron offers a full range of seasons, and it's perfect for those who enjoy a variety of outdoor activities throughout the year. So winter brings snow and the opportunity for winter sports like snowmobiling and ice skating, while summers are nice and warm and great for those barbecues, hiking, and spending time at the local parks. Spring and fall offer beautiful scenery in this part of the state, making Byron a picturesque place to call home. The changing of the seasons also bring a variety of our seasonal events, which only adds to the fun. Now let's talk about Byron's real estate market, which is thriving and really attracting buyers from all over the country. Byron offers a good range of housing options, from new construction to established homes in very friendly neighborhoods. The real estate market here is growing steadily, and many families and professionals choose Byron for its affordability compared to some larger cities like Rochester. And whether you're looking for a spacious family home or maybe a low-maintenance townhome, Byron has something to offer. Plus, with Byron's strong sense of community and proximity to those other amenities, investing in a home here is a smart choice for those seeking maybe a quieter lifestyle without sacrificing conveniences. One standout neighborhood here in Byron is Montgomery Meadows. It's a community designed with modern living in mind and positioned perfectly on the border of Byron and Rochester for convenience and quality of life. It's located just minutes from downtown Byron and just minutes from downtown Rochester. And Montgomery Meadows offers spacious, beautifully designed homes in a peaceful setting that balances countryside charm with urban accessibility. And residents can also enjoy easy access to Rochester's amenities, restaurants, cultural events, while returning home to this serene and family-friendly atmosphere. This neighborhood's large single-family lots, open spaces, and scenic views make it a super popular choice for those seeking a blend of nature, convenience, and new construction. Living in Montgomery Meadows provides an ideal backdrop for families, professionals, and those looking to enjoy a high-quality lifestyle in an up-and-coming area. Now, community events in Byron help foster a really tight-knit, welcoming environment that many residents love throughout the year. Byron hosts several events that bring the community together, whether it's the local farmers market, holiday celebrations, our winter Burfest, or the annual Byron Good Neighbor Days Festival. There's always something happening that encourages residents to connect and engage with one another. And these events are great for families as they offer activities for all ages, from kids' games to live music and local food vendors. This strong community spirit is part of what makes Byron so great and such a desirable place to live. Now, job opportunities in and around Byron are another factor contributing to its growing popularity. Many Byron residents work in the nearby Rochester area, home to the Mayo Clinic, and a growing number of tech and healthcare jobs, but Byron itself has a range of local businesses, and its proximity to Rochester means a super short commute for professionals in the medical, educational, and service sectors. So this balance of small town living with access to big city job markets is a significant advantage for residents who really want to enjoy a simpler lifestyle without sacrificing career opportunities. So while Byron is a smaller town, its population has been steadily growing due to its many appealing qualities. The population of Byron is just under 7,000 people and is currently growing at a rate of 2.32% annually. And it offers a close-knit community where neighbors know each other and look out for one another. Public transportation options in Byron make it easy to commute to nearby areas. So while many residents choose to drive, Byron is serviced by the Rochester Public Transit System, which provides convenient bus routes connecting Byron to Rochester. And this is especially helpful for those commuting to work or school in Rochester. And that allows residents to enjoy the benefits of Byron's peaceful environment while having easy access to the city amenities. Now, Rolling Hills Transit also provides local community-to-community transport and in-town transportation. It offers curb-to-curb rides for the general public, including to work, to medical appointments, to daycare, preschool, and so much more. And for those who prefer to drive, Byron's location right along Highway 14 makes getting around the region pretty quick and simple. Byron's historical roots also add a layer of charm to this town, making it an interesting place to live. Founded back in the 1800s, Byron has a rich history that can still be seen in its architecture and landmarks. The town's close connection with the development of southeastern Minnesota has shaped it into its tight-knit community today. And while Byron has modernized over the years, it still retains a sense of small-town history, which is part of its appeal for many residents. And if you'd like to know more about why Byron, Minnesota is becoming the most desirable place to live, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on future videos, and please follow us on all of our socials. And if you particularly liked this video, then make sure to hit the like button below. You can click on the other boxes on your screen too for our other videos. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them below and I'll make sure that I address every one of those. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and we love where we live and we want you to love where you live. So thanks again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.